MK Heli Club Fun Fly is a smaller, one-day fun fly event held at MK Heli Club in the heart of the UK. The club features great amenities, including a clubhouse with charging opportunities, a great car park, benches for packing, and a stunning view with a castle nearby. The weather throughout the day was questionable at best, with high winds and a bit of rain following the clouds that cast gloom on the landscape. Despite this, the mood at the club was positive, with plenty of flights from some incredible pilots who were willing to brave the intense wind. The attendees were also very helpful, giving advice about setups and flights.
Come to a stop and go back the other way. That's what it seemed to do when I was fucking around.
And helping fix any helis that may have needed it.
You know what?
Yes, George, this is your heli we are talking about, obviously.
Right, so that's as close as I can get.
Have you greased the sprag?
Yes, very much greased the sprag.
Yeah, really.
You can overdo it as well.
I didn't put that much.
Okay.
Right, yes, so you have to line the hole up.
So, why did...
And the main shaft.
George,
Yeah.
And
why is there a shim there?
That's normal, right?
Yeah.
Well, in T-Rex wise, it's normal.
Oh.
There were many models lined up at the field from a variety of brands.
Roll it down to the bottom, roll it down the stairs, and then he'll chase it down the stairs, and we'll take it back.
Including some older machines that caught the attention of pilots.
Unnecessary.
The usual banter also occurred with plenty of jokes and talk between the people there about a variety of topics, including the upcoming Helifest. Overall, despite it being a shorter event, we had plenty of fun, and I'm sure we will be back next year for more fun. Thank you to everyone there and for the organisers, and we'll see you next time. Bye!